Good morning, it's the 19th, Wednesday, October, and I left at 8 o'clock today. Sunrise was just a few minutes ago at about 8:47. It has been pouring rain, but you gotta walk no matter what, so I wasn't able to take any pictures, and I didn't turn on my Relive app, and I have gone 1.94 miles, so it's going to be off by 1.94 miles. Okay, let me carry on. This is what it looks like. We're up and down hills through the woods, and now we're in some town. The rain's a little less intense for a few minutes, so a steep downhill, and then up that road over there. Well, today wasn't a very fun day. O Cebreiro to Fonfria, pouring down rain, and the wind was so strong it almost knocked me off my feet a few times. But look, I'm sitting in front of a fire, waiting for my room to be cleaned. So that's what's going on. I am so wet and cold, even with the poncho on. I hope it dries out in my room because there's no way to wash and hang up to dry. It's just going to have to dry. But I think I have a bathtub in my double room. So you know what I'm going to do if I do. Look at this nice little fire. And of course, I'm the first one to arrive here. It was about 7.5 miles or so, I think. So, and very few pictures. But anyway, have a great day.